All right, welcome back to Mr. Doolittle's English Language Learners class. Today we're studying more on some mathematics and we are finding averages. Finding averages. So تجد الوسط page or lesson 45 in your books. Finding averages on page 128. Shall we? Some of these words you might know, but it's good to review sometimes, especially for the newer students. Yalla, here we go. So encontrar or توجد is find. Find. Promedia or معدل. معدل is average. Average. Conjunto. مجموعة set. Set. I can say I have a very good set of students. لدي المجموعة جيد جدا من الطلاب. Good students. رسومير يلخص is summarize. Summarize. نادية الوسط mean. We will be finding the mean in the averages of sets of numbers. Orango, al-nitaq is the range. The range. Range is like الفارق بين الرقم الأعلى والرقم الأقصر أو الرقم الأصغر مثلا. So that's the range. Moda, وضع is mode. Mode. Mode is the number we see many times, not just once. So mode الرقم الذي نشوف أكثر من مرة واحد. ممكن 2 or 3 times. Valor, القيمية is value. Value. La parte aislada or أشياء أبعد من ذلك. أبعد. Outlier. Outlier. We'll talk about that. برتشة الفارق or حفرة is gap. Gap. أكرر يحدث occurs. Occurs. I like when my students come to our meetings because I see that learning occurs. التعليم يحدث. Learning occurs. Más alto, أعلى. الأعلى is highest. Highest. Who wants the highest grade in the class? من يريد الدرجة الأعلى في الصف? Who wants the highest? Maybe you. Más bajo, الأدنى is lowest. Lowest. الطرة ارتفاع is height. Height. My height is about 5'9" tall. You know, in the middle. مديو الوسط is middle. Middle. Alto, طويل, tall. Tall. I could say, how tall are you? Corto, قصير is short. So alto, corto. طويل, قصير. One more time from the beginning. Find. Average. Set. Summarize. Mean. Range. Mode. Median. Value. Outlier. Gap. Occurs. Highest. Lowest. Height. Middle. Tall. Short. All right. Let's read together on page 128. Here we go. First, we look at our title here, right? Our title of our page is Finding Averages. The big idea is we have many ways to describe data. Many ways. عندنا طرق كثير للوصف المعلومات. Data, معلومات, remember? Okay. So we have a picture of the basketball players, and we see all their heights above their heads. And I think we want to find the average. Let's try. Number one, we find the average of a set of numbers. 2, we have special words to summarize data or data. 3, the mean is the same as the average. 4, the mean height of the boys is 74 inches. Let's look at our team here, right? So here, we see our basketball team. And we have their height, 71 inches, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, and 79. Ooh, he's tall. The mean, or the average, al-ma'adal, is here, 74 inches. So that's how we're displaying this data here, okay? Number 5, the range is 8 inches from 71 to 79. 6, the modes are 71 inches and 76 inches. Modes. Because we see 71 not once, but we see it, we see it twice. So that's one mode, and then we also see 76. We see that twice, so that's our other mode. We have 2 modes in that set of numbers. Number 7, the line plot shows the data. On our page, as you can see, here's our line plot. Below it has the height of each player. And then up here, each X represents one player. Here we can easily see our modes because they have 2. These, only 1, 1, 1. Here's 2 for 70, was it 76 there? Yep. And then we can see our outlier at the end. The outlier is the one is ba'id, ibad min dhalik. The outlier. All right. Number 8, the median is 74, the middle value. So the median is 74, the middle value. 9, in math, values are shown with numbers. 10, the height of 79 inches is the outlier. Right? We see here the outlier because he's far taller than the average. هو أطول من المعدل. Okay. 11. There is a gap between 79 and 76. 12. The mode value occurs most often. So it occurs more than once. The most often. Al-akthar. The mode value occurs most often. 13. The highest height is 79 inches. Al-atwal, the highest, or here we have highest, al-alla. 14. The lowest height is 71 inches. 15. What is the average height of the players? What is the average height of the players? Yes, 74 inches is the average height. Very good. 16, the middle number is often the median. Not always. 17, Malcolm is not as tall as Isaac. 18. Yoshima is not as short as Rudy. This is how we compare. So هذا جملة نقارن بين الشخصين, right? We're comparing. 19. Malcolm is the tallest player. So Malcolm is the tallest. So here هو الأطول في المجموعة كبيرة ليس شخصين بس. So he's the tallest. الأطول. Más alto. And 19. Rudy is the shortest player. Okay, so practice these. Write the new words in your notebook. Please do the work on page 129. Take a picture of that. Once you're done, send it to me. I put the extra worksheet also in Teams for you. And then you'll be working with this idea probably most of this week. So we'll get lots of practice in. Okay, we will see you soon. Keep practicing. Bye-bye.